Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you download offline maps on Google Maps. This is a very easy process guys. Just at first go to the Google Maps. Now here you can see in the top right your profile icon, just click on it. After clicking on it, here you can see the middle option here, offline maps. Click on it. Now just click on select your own map, this option. After clicking it, you can select your own map, just swiping it like this. I'm just swiping at random and selecting. After selecting your own map, just click on the bottom right download option. Now here you can see the map is downloading. After the map finishes downloading, you can see the offline map without being online. So guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.